In this video, we are decorating the Happy Planner with stickers from the Modern Year sticker book and Colorful Leopard sticker book, both from the Happy Planner Spring 2021 collection. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. So even though right now it's actually Easter week, see what happened was I decorated ahead a little bit. So I've actually already decorated my planner for this week. And I also decorated my planner ahead for next week. And I also decorated my planner ahead for the week after that. So we're going to decorate for the week of April 19th because I can't wait to use more new fun stickers. Okay, let's put down my Fiskars cutting mat to protect the desk and then grab these 2 pages out of the planner for this week. So step 1 in my decorative routine is to choose a theme, which we chose Modern Year, and I'll be using some decorative stickers from Colorful Leopard because I think they're going to coordinate. And then my next step that I like to do is washi tape, and I pulled all my washi that have leopard print because I think, oh, this one is polka dots. Okay, these. So let's flip through and see which one. Oh, the black and white is gonna look really good. Hold on, this one is rose gold. This one's rose gold. Are these all rose gold? No, that one's gold. Rose gold, rose gold. Say that 5 times fast. This sticker book, what's it called? Modern Year, which by the way is one of the Happy Planner exclusives. I'm pretty sure you can only get it from the Happy Planner website. This one has rose gold foil in it, so let's choose one of these rose gold foil animal prints. The other sticker book I think has gold, but we don't have to use the gold. I think we're gonna go with this. Look how pretty that is. Let's use that. I just realized I have 2 more. It's like tone on tone pink, simply gilded animal print as well. I'll just put those to the side in case we need it. So leave a comment down below and tell me if you like to decorate your planner in advance or you like to decorate each week as it happens. I like to use washi tape 2 different ways, decoratively or functionally. Usually in the weekly spread, it is a decorative part. In the monthly, I like to use it to mark off weekends, vacations, anything going on that happens over multiple days. Step 3 of my decorative routine is to use box stickers. So I'm thinking that our color theme will be kind of this brown and peachy beige color because there are some coordinating stickers in the leopard book. Like they have like that beige color in that one that we can pull some stickers from as well, and they have like an orange, kind of that whole brown theme. So let's pick some boxes out of here. Okay, I think we're going to use 2 of these tan and brown stickers on each side. I like both of these quotes and I like both of these. So I want to put rest and relax on Saturday. That's usually my day to relax. So let's put that here. Then we'll put the other one, that color, on the other side of this page. Oh, there's so many good ones. Okay, I like this one, so it's going here. Then I need one more brown here. Best day ever. Make it happen. I like that. Make the most of today. Hold on, what does this one say? Yeah, let's do make it happen. The next step is checklists and bullet points. So let's grab a couple of checklists to put on each page. When you put your checklist in between, or your bullet points in between 2 days, that gives you, you can kind of like use it for both days. I also like to turn these upside down so that, I think I'm gonna go there and there, so that there's a little more space for a banner at the top. So let's put a black there and a black over here. Let's go ahead and add in, instead of bullet points on Monday, I do have an appointment, so I'm going to add an appointment sticker instead of a bullet point there. I really like these little check mark bullet points, so let's use those for the weekend. Now my favorite decorative stickers. I want this banner to go on the weekend. It says loving the weekend. We'll put it like right here. I also like these headers for the checklists. So I like this color. I like this color. Love that. Okay, let's switch over to the Colorful Leopard sticker book and decorate. So one of the things I really like are quotes, like that big one, but that's a gold foil, so we're going to look for something different. All right, I think I want some of these paperback leopard prints in the colors that coordinate with our stickers. So I think it'd be cool if it kind of goes across the top and maybe like off the edge a little bit. So let me trim these just a little bit here and there so that they can go to the top of the day like that. And I don't mind the pink either, actually. Let me grab my bigger scissors. So we'll do something like this. That can go there. Let's trim this one to fit in the corner. That'll look cool. So something like this. And then we have to figure out how far over to trim. Let's put that there. Where's my tweezers? This is why tweezers. So I want that to go about there. So we'll need to just trim this part just a little bit. Cool. Let's use the other half of that piece right here. That looks so good. I love it. All right, then we need to add a couple more on this side. All right, let's grab this orange and it can go maybe like in this corner like that. So I'll want to trim the edges just a little bit like this. And then we'll see about the top if we have to also trim that. I think that'll work just like this. Then we'll grab this other little tan piece right here. And I think that'll look good here. All right, now we have a little bit of leopard going across the top. I love it. All right, I want to add one of these leopard cups to put on Monday. They're so cute. So cute. Let's go with pink. Let's put this like maybe up here, somewhere over here. Let's add these little sunglasses next to where the weekend banner is. It says loving the weekend with sunglasses. Oh, I like these date night stickers. Let's grab one of those. Let's do pink, just because I like pink. Should we put it at the bottom or up here? Oops, it can go either place. I'm gonna put it here, just to make it different. Since this is a functional sticker book, and this is my actual functional planner, let's use this section over here. We already have a space for to-do lists, so let's add a couple of more sections to write in things that are going on. Let's add one of these that says important, and then we'll leave a little space to write. Let's add this little coffee first banner next to our little cup. Let's add one of these weekly checklists too. And then we'll decide something later what I'll track this week. So I want to give that like 3 lines of spaces. Then we'll put this one here. This page has little prompts on it. So these say, do it this week, positive word. I love that. Let's grab that one. So let's have a positive word down here. 1, 2, 3, put that here. I might want to put 2 of these. All right, I'm going back to the leopard because I love it and I want more. So let's add a little bit, like a little hint on both of the bottom corners to balance out the top. I'm gonna stick with the same paper back leopard. All right, I'll grab this big one and see if I put it like that. I don't really want the green in my spread because we're just not doing that color. So maybe we can do just off, with the green just off the page. Just a little hint down on that corner, and then let's add some to this corner also. We can use this piece that we just trimmed off, and I don't want it to go up too high, so I have plenty of room to write in that box. And let's grab this other little tiny piece. And we'll put that on after, but let's grab this pink one next. And that's all we'll put in this corner, just a little bit. All right, let's put this little tiny piece over here. And then this little piece over here. Let's add one more sticker. I like this little quote. It says, inhale courage, exhale doubt. I think I want to put that along the washi tape on this side. So we have one there and one here. All right, I think we're all set. Let's see how it looks on the discs. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, hit that thumbs up button, click the link in the description box to get your free power plan checklist so you can plan along with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!